TNM squad, welcome to another vlogmas video. Today is day 20. I am super excited to actually do it this year. Okay, so it's just 5 days to go, and thank you so much guys. Thank you for all the love. Thank you for watching, sharing, viewing. In fact, thank you for the likes, the comments. I truly do appreciate you. So in today's video, I will bring you this very simple, straightforward chinchin recipe. Let's go. So here is what you will need for this recipe. You will need 3.5 cups of flour, but in my bowl I have just 3 cups. That is because you want to set aside half cup just so you can use it for kneading and other things. Okay, so 3 cups in my bowl. I'll add 80 to 100 gram of margarine, and then a quarter cup of milk, powdered milk. You want to use full cream powdered milk. There is just a difference when you use non-full cream and full cream. Okay, so go ahead and use full cream powdered milk. You want to add 1 tablespoon of milk flavor. Milk flavor is very important when it comes to making chinchin. You want to add half a cup of sugar. I actually used my quarter cup because my half cup is busy somewhere. Yeah, so I used my quarter cup to measure twice, giving me 1 cup, half a cup of sugar. And then I added a quarter teaspoon of salt, let's say a pinch of salt, and a quarter teaspoon of baking powder. And yeah, you just want to mix the dry ingredients first, and the next thing you want to do is to add your margarine, and you want to achieve a crumb. Okay, like just mix your margarine together with your dry ingredients, and then you get a crumb kind of feel. So once you have that, add your eggs and mix. You want to see chinchin, to get a good crunchy chinchin, you want to mix. That is why in my commercial chinchin class I always tell my students to, if they are making like in bulk, in large quantity, they should always go to a bakery nearby. Any bakery near to them, they should just like pay a token and tell them to knead it for them with their machine. You know those machine they used to knead dough for bread, you understand? So they will tell the bakery owner or anybody there that okay, they want to knead chinchin. Okay, so these people will be very, like, they will help you, because I have like a meal that does especially for chinchin. But if you don't have such in your town, just go to any bakery. You need your chinchin to be very, very well mixed. If you are using your hand, you have to mix it the way you want to mix donuts. You understand, like the rate of kneading I'm talking about. You want to knead like you are kneading donuts until your chinchin dough is very, very well kneaded. That is when you will get good amount of chinchin and also a crunchy one. You get what I mean? So next you want to do is to add 1 egg to this mixture. Go ahead and add 1 egg. You know I always like using water to mix my egg. At this point I forgot, so I'm just going to add the water on it like so, and mix. Okay, so you want to mix continuously until everything is well combined. Add water bit by bit so you don't end up with too watery dough. Okay, because if it's too watery, then you will need to add more flour, and that will reduce the quantity of your ingredients already added. So go ahead and add water bit by bit.